Hey guys, thanks for joining me for this week's video. It's actually one of two collaborations I'm doing this month, and I really hope you guys enjoy the process. This collab is being hosted by the Creative Arts Collaboration, and the theme this month is Love Art. Now I realize Valentine's Day is just around the corner, but I wanted to stay away from the typical love or romantic ideas and went with painting a bird instead. But it's not just any bird, it's actually a lovebird. So I just thought that it would be super fitting for the theme this month. For this piece, I've used my Derwent Inktense blocks to ink the drawing. I made a quick video, a quick tip video, I should say, about this not too long ago, and I'll have a little card up in the right-hand corner that you can check that out if you'd like. I'm also using my Koi watercolor set, some white Caran D'ache gouache, and a white Uniball pigment pen to add some final details. The paper I'm using is 140 pound Strathmore cold press watercolor paper. I've been working with these mediums a lot lately, and I've been really enjoying working with them. Now, I mentioned at the beginning of this video that this is a collab piece, so there are many other artists participating besides myself. I'll have a link to the playlist so that you can see all the other participants' videos down in the description box. So please go down, click the link, check them out. You may stumble across a channel that you want to support, and of course, if you really enjoy the artwork, please subscribe and show these other artists some love. I am actually going to leave you with this process here for just a little bit and provide you with some music to listen to. I will be back closer to the end of the video with some final words, and I hope you guys enjoy. So it's pretty close to the end of the video here now. I hope you guys have enjoyed the process. If you have any questions or anything about this video, please leave them along with any comments down in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I always read all my comments and reply to everyone that I can. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, and it helps my channel out quite a bit. The more likes and the more comments I get, it allows other people to discover my channel and allows other people to come and support me as well. So if you guys could do that, it would be super appreciated. That's it for me today. I hope you all have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. If you liked it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already to make sure you see my future videos. Until next time, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.